Hello everybody and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you ginger biscuits. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you want to follow along, we've put the shopping list at the beginning of the video so you can see which ingredients we are using for today. So we're going to show you the ingredients what we're using. Right, so these are ingredients what we're going to be using for today. We've got some light brown sugar, we've got some golden syrup, we've got some freshly grated ginger, we've got some bicarbonate of soda and some ginger powder, we've got some butter, got our flour, and we've got an egg yolk. You just need the egg yolk. So that's our ingredients what we're going to be using for today. Right, so we're going to start the process now. So we've got a small pan. I'm just going to put it on a low heat. So we've got our pan on a low heat. So we're going to put in our butter. Our brown sugar's going in there. Our golden syrup. I know a lot of you have been asking if we can do some recipes for the kids. This is one what you can do with them. And we're going to have some more coming out soon. So just keep up with the channel and you'll see the process. So that's our golden syrup. And then you're going to be putting your freshly grated ginger into that as well. And you're just going to incorporate that together. And now a lot more subscribers have come on board now, and you're asking to see different things. We can't do everything at once, but you know we'll get there when we can. And I understand as it's a follow along sort of channel where you can see the recipe and do it in when you're ready. We know that the kids are always interested in doing their own thing, so we'll just try and keep up with what we can keep up with, and then you'll see as the channel grows bigger, then we can do more things like cakes and all stuff like that. And remember, if you like the channel, like what we're doing, like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section, we do get back to you on them. We might not be quick on them because we're doing other things, sourcing ingredients, and we've got to know what we're going to be doing each week and making the videos, editing and everything like that, so please bear in mind that we have to do all these kind of things. Right, so that's almost melted out now. Right, I'm going to turn off our heat. And we're just going to put that to one side to cool down. And meanwhile, you're waiting for that, we've got our bowl. We've got our flour. Just going to bring in the camera a bit more. Everything's nicely focused. So we've got our flour and we've got our bicarbonate of soda. This is not baking powders, but bicarbonate of soda and some ground ginger. And we're just going to mix that in meanwhile. Right, so I've got that incorporated, and meanwhile we're just going to wait for our mixture to cool down. Once that's cooled down, we'll get back to you. Right, so we've got our egg yolks, so we're just going to give that a light beating. So you just want to beat this till it gets translucent, which is like that. Right, so we've got our egg beaten and we've got our mixture. See, we've put our bicarbonate of soda and our ginger powder into that. We're going to make a little well. Then we're going to start to add some of our mixture, which is cooled down now. So you're going to be doing this a bit at a time. Then you're going to add a little bit of your egg to it. So this is going to be a doughy mixture, so bear that in mind. And put some more of our going to put in the rest of our egg. And the rest of our mixture. I'm going to stir this in till it's all incorporated. Right, and you're going to want to put this in your fridge for about 10 minutes. So we've got it all incorporated now. So we're going to put this in our fridge, and meanwhile you're doing that, you can get your tray ready, which is just a bit of foil and some greaseproof paper. So you can do that meanwhile your mixture is cooling down. So we'll see you in 10 minutes. Right everybody, so we've got our mixture out of the fridge. As you can see, it's gone stiff. You can see it's gone a bit fluffy underneath. So we've got our trays ready. We've got our oven on fan 170 and gas mark, you're going to need about gas mark 4. So with our mixture now, you're going to get like a teaspoon. You're going to need about a 1 inch ball. And then you're going to roll it into a little ball and put it on your tray. So if you've got kids, you could have them doing this. I think you will get about 8 on a tray. They're going to spread. I don't know how wide they're going to spread. Remember, if you want to do them bigger, you can do them bigger. If you want to do them smaller, do them smaller. So I'm going to put 8 on the tray. So if you'd like to leave a comment in the comment section, if there's anything else you'd like to see us do, we're going to try and do a bit more child-friendly things. As the channel grows, then you know we can do more content with more other things. And we can adapt the recipes a bit. Right, so that's our first lot. Ready to go in. As you know, with ginger biscuits, you want them done to have a snap to them, so that's how you're going to know when they're done. So I'm going to put these in our oven now. Just going to move the camera back. So those are going to go in for about 15 to 20 minutes. So we'll see you back then when we're taking them out. Right, so we're going to take them out the oven now. colour what you want on them. You can see they're nice and firm on the top. Don't want them too spongy. We're just going to let those cool down. When they're cooled down, we're going to put some on the plate and show you how they look on the inside and everything. Right, so everybody, we've plated that some up. As you can see, they look really nice and tasty. I'm going to break one in half so you can see. Got a nice texture inside of it. And that's for you, our ginger biscuits. I hope you like this one. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend and tell that friend to tell another friend. And if you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you on them. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.